Hello, I'm going to do a demonstration of how the ZPhisher tool works. And this is a tool created to automate phishing and has 30 plus templates on GitHub, etc. So it takes less than 5 minutes to have it running. But before I show you anything, an important disclaimer. Please do not use this to steal somebody's credentials. I'm doing this video for educational purposes only, not so that you can go and hack somebody. That's not the purpose of this video. Here's a complete disclaimer from the author of the tool. It's only for demonstration purposes. Do not misuse the information to gain unauthorized access to someone's social media. So I'm echoing that as well here. Okay, having said that, let's clone the code from GitHub. And once the code is on my PC, I can hit the run docker command. Before doing so, I'm going to show you what it does, which is always a good practice. You never know what a shell script might do on your PC, so if you have the opportunity, go and read it. So here, basically, what it's doing is creating an auth directory, and then specifying what is the container image, which in this case is stored in the GitHub container registry. It's creating a container, mounting a volume using the auth directory that was created before, and using the host network. And that's it. So let's run it. By the way, so that's the only requirement to run this application, Docker. Yes, there is an alternative. You can install all the dependencies on your machine, etc. But that's not great in general. It's going to pollute your system with dependencies that maybe only this tool needs, and it's less secure in to many extents. Okay, so run Docker. So yeah, it takes only a few seconds to start, and then it offers you one of many templates that are already available. So here I count 35. Let's say I want to create a phishing page for Instagram. So I specify number 2. There are many login pages. I use the first one. And here is offering me 3 options. So how do I want to expose this phishing page to others? If I use localhost, it's only going to be running on my PC and accessible on my local network. If I use Cloudflare, it's going to use a tunnel to create a URL other people can visit, and they will connect to my machine anyway, but through that public URL. In this case, I'm going to use the first option, the simplest, which is localhost. And then if I want to use a custom port, I'm going to say no and use the default port, which is 8080. And that's it, very simple. So now if I follow this link, I should see the fake Instagram page, which is very similar to other Instagram page that I have seen. So it's believable, you can say. Santiago. Okay, I enter my password. Login. Oh, nothing happened. Well, of course, this is what happens typically. They show you a page where they capture the information, and then they don't log into Instagram because they are unable to do so, and they redirect you to an Instagram page where you can again enter your credentials one more time. By that time, your credentials have been already stolen. So you can see account Santiago password. This is my password, and it's not only shown in the console, it's also saved to a file here. All the files go to the same place, and that's how these phishing pages work. Of course, all starts with maybe an SMS message that contains a link, a shortened URL, or maybe it's an email to your to personal email address or to work email address that redirects you to this fake page where you enter your credentials. And that's all I can say about ZPhisher. It's a very simple application that hasn't been updated in many, many years. And if you look at the code for the different sites, there is, say, Facebook, and it does nothing practically. It's an HTML page, or the index, I think it's, yeah, depending here, this index, check if it's mobile or desktop. If it's mobile, redirects you to the mobile page, and if not, to the login page. And then there is a PHP file that takes the email and the password from the post request and save it to a file. It's incredibly simple, and unfortunately it's very effective, because all it matters for the end user is that the page looks like the original or the actual Facebook page. All right, I can do it one more time because it takes so little time. So I'm going to run Docker again and say I want to now have one for Roblox 35, localhost, no custom port. If I click here, you can see the URL is localhost, and the same. This looks like a Roblox page, but it isn't. It's the phishing page. And unfortunately, Roblox has a large majority of children players, users. So you can say it's even easier to fool them or make them fall into this trap, which is, again, very sad. So these bad users are targeting people irrespective of their age. Bad. And same as before, it redirects to Roblox afterwards. Okay, that's it for today. Hopefully you know a bit more how this works, and you pay also more attention to the pages that you visit. You never know, even experienced people, savvy, internet savvy people can fall into these things if they don't pay attention. Until the next one, bye bye.